Hello and welcome to I am a guy from Denmark, and today I'm going to walk you through 6 websites that I usually end up on when I'm going to when I'm trying to learn to code and or looking for new information about coding. The very first page is the Envato Touch Plus site. They have a lot of great tutorials and guides to build specific things or just intros to certain language or ways to code. One of my favorites is the one that I started up with when I learned how to code is this 30 days to learn HTML and CSS. It's free. A lot of the things on Touch Plus cost money, but they are almost always really high quality. But if you are completely new and you want to learn HTML and CSS for creating websites, this is certainly a very good starting point where you learn how to do everything you basically need to do on a website. It's made by a guy named Jeffrey Way, and he makes a lot of nice tutorials and guides on Touch Plus. They're always high quality, and I think he's great at learning from. Another one that I would really recommend is it's also free. It's the 30 days to learn jQuery. You learn a lot of awesome stuff in there. He has, look here, 39 pages of guides, PHP fundamentals, right there. I think I have that one as well. That's really nice. That costs some money, but it's really nice. Yeah, definitely check that out, and definitely check Envato Touch Plus out. Let's get on to the next one. It's Free Code Camp. Very big website. I just learned about it some weeks ago. It's a really cool place to learn how to code. They have this big long course where you actually end up with a full stack developer certification from them. They're identifying as a university on LinkedIn, so that's also pretty cool. You go from learning pretty basic HTML stuff into jQuery, Bootstrap, JavaScript, into computer programming algorithmics in JavaScript, and you write all the code in this inline editor and execute it on the page, and it really works all the time compared to something like Code Academy, which never works for me. So that's why you won't see it on this list also. Here's the next one. It's w3schools.com. I know a lot of snobby programmers and coders don't really like W3 Schools, but I think it's a pretty good place to look up different stuff, look at the examples, learn how to use something, use it as a base. I mean, they have all these great things. They have JavaScript, jQuery, mobile, SQL, PHP, ASP.NET, XML, HTML, CSS, graphics. They really have all the things you need in order to learn how to make a website and make web applications and stuff. To get the basic MDN, Mozilla Developer Network, this is a alternative, maybe a bit, to W3 Schools. I have not used it that much, but I really use it for lookup. Sometimes I land on the page when I'm directed from Google or something, and they have helped me a lot, especially with JavaScript and stuff. But you can also look up stuff here for HTML5 and yeah. As I said, I haven't really used it that much, but it's a huge site and it's great for looking up stuff. And then we have Microsoft Developer Network. This is great if you are into Microsoft programming like C# and Visual Studio and all those tools and languages. Great page, bunch of courses and tutorials and lookups, and you can download all the software from here. So if you are going into the Microsoft world of programming, this is definitely the place to look. And last, it's a little fun one. It's CSS Tricks. It's mostly for you front-end developer. But CSS Tricks has a lot of snippets, really well written. You can really learn from them. If you search on Google for something problems with CSS, you're almost guaranteed to end up here on one of their snippets, and yeah, and that's it. That's 5 great sites for learning how to code and for looking stuff up. I definitely recommend you to try these out and bookmark them. I think you will have a good use of them. I know I have. So until next time, have a nice week, have a nice day, have a nice summer, and remember to subscribe to keep this coming.